agro adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are embarking on a journey into a whole new way of growing food, a sustainable, low maintenance, and nature-inspired approach called permaculture farming. What is permaculture farming? Permaculture goes beyond just farming. It's a design system that mimics natural ecosystems, creating a self-sustaining and harmonious environment for plants, animals, and even humans to thrive together. Let's explore some key principles of permaculture. Observe and interact. Understanding your land's natural patterns, sun, wind, water flow, is crucial for designing your layout. Catch and store energy. Rainwater harvesting through swales and ponds ensures water availability during dry seasons. Obtain a yield. Planting diverse crops and utilizing companion planting creates a thriving ecosystem that produces bountiful harvests. Apply self-regulation and accept feedback. Permaculture is an ongoing learning process. Adapt your practices based on observations and the natural feedback of your environment. Integrate and use renewable resources. Composting kitchen scraps and yard waste provides natural fertilizer, closing the loop. Produce no waste. Everything in a permaculture system has a purpose. Grey water from showers can be used to irrigate certain plants. Benefits of permaculture farming. Permaculture offers a multitude of benefits. Reduced reliance on external inputs, less dependence on fertilizers and pesticides. Enhanced biodiversity, creating a heaven for beneficial insects and pollinators. Improved soil health, building healthy soil translates to healthier plants. Increased resilience to climate change, permaculture systems are better equipped to handle weather extremes. A sustainable future for food production, leaving a positive impact on our planet for generations to come. How to get started with permaculture? Feeling inspired to try permaculture? Here are some ideas. Plant a pollinator garden to attract beneficial insects. Start a compost bin and use it to nourish your plants. Implement rainwater harvesting techniques. Permaculture is a fascinating journey towards a more sustainable future of food production. Remember, even small steps can make a big difference. Explore online resources, connect with local permaculture communities, and take the first step towards a thriving, self-sustaining garden. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of permaculture farming. Share your own permaculture experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more agro adventures.